are pleased to show you the 2017 Audi Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, electronic stability control, security system, compass, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, CD player, remote keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.